Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix no internet connection error on Roblox. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you clear up your Roblox app from already used app. Having done that, the next thing is to pull down or pull up the control menu. Turn on your airplane mode for at least 10 to 15 seconds. It should be fixed when you turn it on. When it's turn off the airplane mode and turn on your data. But if not, I'll advise you to go to your date and time, go to your clock, set your time, and also go to your calendar and set your date. Having done that, you can still go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, all I have to do is to click on the app management, click on the app list for Roblox. So right here, all I have to do is to click on storage and cache and clear my cache. If you want to clear your storage, you can also clear your storage, but note that if you clear your storage, you have to log into your Roblox app again. You can go to the Roblox website on any of your browser of your choice. For this video, I'm making use of my Google browser, so you just have to type in roblox.com. From here you can get updates to know if Roblox have a current issue that will be resolved shortly, if they have issue that have any connection with the network issue. So guys, that is it on how to fix no internet connection error on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.